Hello everyone and welcome to What's Up Wednesday for Wednesday, September 26th. Oh my word, September is almost over, which means October's coming, which is Halloween, Thanksgiving, and then, oh my gosh, it's like Christmas is tomorrow. It's going to happen so quickly. Anyway, sorry. I just all of a sudden realized that myself and was thinking, wow. Okay, so today we are going to talk about the weekly updates, and there are a few things, some exciting announcements that are coming, some things that we don't know really anything about. We won't find out till a little bit later, but I guess we'll just go ahead and jump into this. If any of you still have bonus coupon codes from the Bonus Days promotion in August, you have through September 30th, which is Sunday, to redeem them. Now, if you or any of your customers cannot find your codes, you can call Stampin' Up! And they will email it for you or to you, and then you can send it to your customer or however you want to work that. But you can get the code if for some chance somebody loses it or you have misplaced yours. So keep that in mind. If you don't know how to redeem the code, you simply go into an order. Towards the bottom of the order will be a little box that says Manage Coupon Codes. Click on that. The best way to enter the code is to copy and paste it directly from the email. That way there's no way you can get it messed up, and then you hit apply or something, and then it will populate and remove the $5 from your order. So that's amazing. Speaking of $5 bonus coupon codes, Stampin' Up! Is going to start offering, or is going to, I shouldn't say start, they're going to offer us, it's kind of a one-time deal. They're going to try it out from what I understand, and it may or may not be something they do again. But this year, okay, I want to read this so I make sure that I get it correctly. We're going to be able to use our Flex Points to purchase coupon codes. Now, a coupon code will cost you 700 points, and that's worth $5. A lot of times after we spend all of our points purchasing, whether you've purchased the incentive trip or you've purchased, a large product credit or the tumbler or the new fun socks, you'll have extra points left that are not enough to buy anything. Well, so they decided to help us out a little bit and let us spend more of those points, so we're not just left with 2,000 points that we can't do anything with. So we will be able to purchase a maximum of 3 of these product credits at 700 points a piece. So that would be a $15 credit total. What they are recommending that we can do with those product credits, though, is we can purchase them and we can gift the coupon code to a customer to entice them to place an order, which I think is a brilliant idea. A lot of times when you get into November, December, sales can get a little bit slower because people are so focused on Christmas, and of course Christmas is expensive for everyone, so we tend to maybe not purchase things for ourselves or crafting supplies. We wait on that. So this is a way to perhaps generate some orders for yourself. Now, it does say that the coupon codes will be able to be redeemed from November 23rd through December 11th. So there is a very specific timeline there of when they can be redeemed after you purchase them. We will be able to purchase them between October 8th and October 31st. So we can purchase a maximum of 3 at 700 points a piece. They're each worth $5. You can, of course, use them for yourself. You can use them as customer incentives if you would like, and they will be redeemed November 23rd through December 11th. So all that's on the demonstrator website under the weekly updates. If you don't remember what I've said, you can check it out there. Okay. Speaking of Flex Points, I have seen some questions in the group about how to when do we stop earning them? When do they have to be redeemed? How do we redeem them? So number one, we have until September 30th to earn Flex Points for this year that we're in right now. September 30th is the end of our Stampin' Up! Year. So after September 30th, you'll be able to log into the demonstrator website. I think it's like 5 or 6 business days after the last day of the month, so maybe around October 7th or 8th, and you'll be able to see how many points you actually have accrued. If you haven't spent any, it'll be your total. If you spent it, it'll show what you've spent, what you've earned, that kind of thing. So you must spend all of your points by October 31st or you will lose them. So some of you girls have been purchasing product credits. Great. I'd love to see that. That means you guys are selling, enough to earn those credits. That's wonderful. Yay for you guys. And product credits are fun because they're free merchandise, basically. So if you have enough points, you can go into the Flex Point store. You purchase a product credit. So let's say you purchase a $40 product credit. Great. that needs to be redeemed on a demonstrator order type. So you would go to place an order, a demonstrator order type. You would start adding merchandise. It must be commissionable merchandise. It can't be like catalogs or any of those things from the supply list. It must be commissionable merchandise off of, out of the catalogs, or probably the clearance rack too. And so then you add those things to your cart. And once you get to that levels, you get to that $40 before the shipping and tax, of course, and before or after any coupon codes have been entered. $40, then a little pop-up will pop up and say, hey, do you want to use your $40 product credit? Now, the product credits don't expire. Once you purchase a product credit, it won't expire. It will just stay in your queue, and then every time you place a demonstrator order and you get to that threshold, you will get the pop-up asking you if you want to apply it to your order. You choose when you want to apply it to your order. You must purchase the product credit by the 31st, but you do not have to redeem it by then. So I think those are the questions that I've seen on our groups. I've tried to answer them if I've seen them. So if you have any other questions, please, comment below this video. Just post it into the group, whatever, and we can answer your questions for you. Okay, enough about flex points. Moving on. World Card Making Day is coming up on September 30th, and this is something that Stampin' Up! Has really promoted in the past, and then there's some years where they haven't promoted it very much, but I'm thinking they might promote it fairly heavily again this year, just because we're learning about it fairly early. And it's just like a world day that everybody makes cards. Everybody can make cards. Not everybody does. Everybody can. So it's a really perfect opportunity for you to have a class, whether you want to make it a product-based class, a card buffet, a stamp a stack class, whether you want to do something, on your Facebook page, just do kind of an impromptu Facebook Live World Card Making Day class. You can do whatever you want with it. You can just have people show up at your house and bring their supplies, and you guys can just all do whatever, share supplies, share tools, so that everybody, so you can just have fun with it. You can do anything you want. This is just giving you a reason to hold an event, which is a great thing to do because it's kind of a big deal. They do it. People do it all over the world. Crafters, lots of different crafting companies will be talking about it. So it's a perfect opportunity for us to hold an event live or in person. So give that some thought and see what you come up with. If you want to brainstorm some ideas, feel free to throw those out in the group and we can all talk about it, and maybe we can come up with some great ideas. Also, coming November 1st is a new promotion called the Snowflake Showcase. We're going to find out on October 1st, which is Monday. Yes, Monday. The details apparently will be posted about the pre-order for that promotion. I don't know what it is. It sounds very exciting, Snowflake Showcase. So October 1st on Monday, we will be able to find out what that's about, and then we'll have a pre-order during October, and it will go live for customers on November 1st. All right, what else do we have here? If you happen to have enough points for the Greece incentive trip, yay for you. That's very exciting. We can start registering for the trip on November 5th, apparently. Also, if you have earned enough points for the trip but do not plan to go, there will be an option in the Flex Point store to cash out of the trip, and then Stampin' Up! Will pay you $1,750 the week of the trip, which is sometime in July of next year. And you will also qualify for all the pillow gifts that are given out on the trip. And that's very exciting for me because ever since Stampin' Up! Changed the incentive trip to July, even though I have earned the past 2 trips, and Greece as well, I have not been able to go. That is the same time that my family has for the past, as long as I've been married to my husband, 20 years. We go on a special family vacation every July, and so it's been a real bummer for me to have to choose what to do. But I have chosen my family the past 2 years, and I do believe I'll be choosing my family again. And Dina and Kelly are going to want to kill me. Sorry. But let's move on. Okay. What else do I have in my little notes here? Ooh, Stamparatus accessories. Have you guys seen that? We are now able to order extra plates, which is so cool because a lot of times when you're doing like a large class, not even a large class, just like if you're just using 5 or 6 stamps, you need more than 2 plates to get your stamps on so that you can, go through the whole thing. So we can order extra plates. We can order extra foam mats, which is going to be really helpful since it is kind of tough to get stamping in that little corner there. So the little extra foam mat will help with that. Plus, they're making grid paper that's sized perfectly for the Stamparatus, which is something I'm super excited about. So now we have the magnets, the plates, the foam mats, and the grid paper. So those things are available to us right now as a demonstrator pre-order. They will go live to customers on October 1st. So make sure you let your customers know about that because it's a great thing to let them know about. Also, for any of you who are Halloween fans, the Paper Pumpkin kit, the Fright and Delight kit for September, there are full kits as well as refill kits available in the online store and as regular orders. As of the filming of this video, which is Tuesday at 2:30 Mountain Time, they're still both in the store, so you can still order them. You can also, I have a lot of teacher friends who like to give little gifts to their students in their classrooms, and this is the super easy way for them to do that. It's like a $20 item. So you might want to check with some of your teacher friends if you have any, parents of school-age children, because a lot of times they like to give gifts to the kids on Halloween. This is a perfect way to do it. And we are allowed to cash and carry those kits. So you could order some for yourself and then you could resell them to someone else. So that is legal. Just a little thing I wanted to let you guys know because the kit is adorable and I love it. Okay. What else? I think aside from the Succeed Weekly, which everybody should have in their email inbox, there's some cute holiday cards in that this week. So that's very exciting. So I think that's it. On-stage registration ended today, the day that I'm filming the video. So the day you're watching the video, no more on-stage registration. So I hope whoever wanted to go got in. We do have a Facebook group for those girls that are going from all three of our teams so that we can all kind of meet and get to know each other and hang out and have so much fun at On Stage. I'm so excited. So maybe next time, some of you guys that didn't get to go this time can go next time so that we can all meet and hang out. I look forward to that. So I guess that's it. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day and I'll see you in a few weeks when it's my turn again. Bye!